Yeah, today we learn. Hello, yeah, today we learn Excel. What is a first is Excel in a very basic way. Okay, Excel is very important to do. It's a task in every job. It is very required. So we study in the very simple way. What is Excel? What is Excel? Excel is electronic spreadsheet application. What is a spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a data data in which tabular form means table form. Okay, now what why is Excel we are using? Like previously data in stored registers physically for any counting work, because not remember. Now with help of Excel we can table of 1,000 students with their names, marks, age, address detail, like anything. Or like if, this is example of one school where 1,000 students are studying. In one more example, like one is a departmental store where 10,000 items are selling. So all items which are present in Excel we can easily available to check which quantity of item is sold with the help of if we entering the data in Excel. So now this is Excel spreadsheet. Okay, now this is in this this uppermost left part is these are quick toolbars. This is save button. This is like one v this is a redo, undo typing. Okay, then this is a redo typing. Okay, and with this is also some other toolbars. If you want like quick print, we should be add, then they will be added. Okay, now I will remove previous one. Or that is this is in this way, this is minimize button, this is a maximize button, this is a close the application of Excel. Okay, now on the second row there is a home tab. These are the tabs, or this is a menu bar, and these are the tabs, or home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view. ठीक है, all right. Okay, in the first tab, firstly home tab is selected, so default is a home tab. These are the in the home tab, these are the another all the tabs are showing. Now first we will discuss this part, this clipboard part. It is present in home tab. Okay, now like you have something right, then you want to copy, select the cell, copy, and you want to paste, just paste it. Okay, if you want to we only this one data should not be present in the previous cell, then cut and paste. Okay, now another part is format painter. Format painter is like there are two cells, like this cell is format, you have already set the format of this cell. Okay, now you want to change the format of this cell without like something values 41. You want to change the format of this cell as the previous, the D12. How to do, you can D this, and this is 12, so D12. You want to change the format of this cell. In this way you change the format of first set, sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, now first change the already format. Now you can format painter and click it. Format paint the I7, the format of the cell is changed as D12. Okay, without changing any values. Now this part is complete. Now this is part Calibri. This is the format of fonts. These are the font tab, and in the present in home tab. This is Calibri, Times New Roman, more than, if language, yeah, there is also Punjabi language, and more Lipi is also present. Aparajita, Devanagari also present in this. If you there is font, you want to excel in another language, then you can use this also you will use. Yeah, if you are typing, okay. Now in this way you change the, like, Times New Roman, mostly used, enter. And you want to, if change the size of the font, like check this, like 36. Yeah, now you can, it is change the size. With this you can change the size of the cell, like that one, and select it and increase. This is increase the row, this is decrease the row. Okay, this, and another one is, this is bold one. This is this key, what it will do, italic form, or that one, last one is in this underline. This underline the text, and this is underline, and this is, there is also double underline. Now if you want, like 5 4 5 6 0 no 9, then there is something number, age. You want to change the border the text to all the numbers. This is all the borders. In this way it is a small table. If you want to big table, then it will be also done by this method. Okay, now font already completed, basics are the completed, and this is a text. This is a font, whole the font is opened. In this you can change, if you want to change the preview is coming in this. Okay, now if you want to change the color of the text, like select it and green, and in this way color of the text is changed. This is for background, this is for color of the text. Okay, now font is basically is covered. Now mostly used, now there will be alignments. Alignments is thus, yeah, there is this is this is selected. You want to, this text should be upper side, then upper side, this is middle side, this is bottom side. Okay, or if like this box is, I complete, increase the size. In this way you can increase the size. Now this is align the text to left side, this is align the text center side, this is align the text right side. Okay, and this is, what is this? This is the rotate the text. Okay, this is selected part, and this is rotate the text. Okay, this is rotating the this. What is this now? This is decrease the, this is the indent the margin. I will isko I will previously this is increase the, like select it. This is what will do, decrease the margin between bottom and the text. This is increase the margin, it will increase the margin, it will decrease the margin means text and this side, text and this increase the margin. Okay, now what is the wrap text? wrap text. There is one thing, one text is go to another side, but you are not reading. Okay, then we what will do, if you click this is a text on the next column, you click it wrap text. This text fully text come in on the cell. Wrap text fully text come on the cell, making content all the visible within the cell by displaying it on multiple cells. Okay, now what is the merge and center? Merge and center is join the like like there is Excel, and there is one, there is two. Heading should be for the both the same. Then we can join the cell. This is join the cell, and there will be two tables in the bottom of the this side. Okay, now what is this? This is the now alignment is complete. Now we will go to number. Number in which how the values in a cell are displayed, like percentage, currency, data, date, time. Like you select it and number. In this way number. Okay, if numbers are typed, like if you want to time in the time way, like for like इसको percentage, like there is a number is typed, you want to should be displayed in percentage. This is percentage. Okay, if you want to this is these are part these are the formulas are the apply to only numbers. Chart, column, accounting, just accounting. This is accounting, and now these two things are the for the decimal places, like 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we can select, and you can to increase the decimals. Which one? Decrease the decimals. Okay, this number part is complete. Now custom, there will be, you can change the number format as required. Now conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting? Is this is highlighting the, like conditional formatting, highlighting the intersecting cells and unusual values and visual data bars, colors and icons set based on criteria. Like one more thing, I will do another sheet. This is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 already open. Like I will go to another sheet just for the example for conditional formatting. Like yeah, there will be a data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 56, 40, 87, 51. Okay, this is data. Now if I want to conditional formatting to this, like select the cells, select conditional formatting, highlight cell rules greater than, I will select is 50. If the formulas are greater than, numbers in these cells are greater than 50, then it will be displayed in red dark text. If you want to green text, then green. Okay, this is the conditional formatting. Okay, now you can understand what is the conditional formatting. Now format as table. Now 1, 2 like this is some table is present. Okay, you want to display in which way? This is way you can table style. Okay, in this way data should be displayed. It used in this way. Okay. With this there is another window design. We will discuss in another details, because it is very important. So in this we only home tab. Okay, this is the cell styles. Cell styles in normal, a bad, like select the cells, cell style. If you want to good, like you want to discuss this is bad. If there is a number, this is bad. Okay, this is bad. 40 tak, you have to bad. 50 you will choose good, neutral, and 56 should be good. 87 is also good. Okay, now in the cell style also there will be a calculation, check cell, as you want you will do it. Now another part is this is a style, this is cells. If you want to insert the cell, then 20-30, between 20-30 you want to insert one more cell should be inserted. This is inserted. Now I will type 76, 78. Okay, this is inserted. If you want to delete the cell, then should be deleted, delete cell. Okay, now if you want to change the format height, like you will do also with this way also, in this way also. This is this part with this way or this way. Select the 7 part and up down, click by mouse and click it, and this way also, and this way also. Format cell, row height, yeah, 7. Okay, in this way you can also, like, now another part is auto sum. Like this is you want to sum the part, auto sum. This is, what is this? This is sum of these cells. All the numbers are summed up and display the whole number. Okay, now if you want to fill down, iske niche there will be fill down also, fill the number, clear the just erase the number. If you want to, like, sort and filter, like you want to select the cell and you can select the cell and sort smallest to longest. This is the smallest: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 56, 87. Okay, smallest is upper part and lowest is. Now this is sort and filter also is present. You can largest to smallest, anyone. If you want to, now last one is find. You want to find 87, find all. This is find. This is displayed where is E15, upper side E, and this is 15. Yeah, this is also displayed in this side also, E15. Okay, this is the just started the basics. You clearly know. If any doubt is there, then please ask in comments. Okay, thank you.